Sarah has 20 more bookmarks than Kelly. After Sarah gave 2/5 of her bookmarks to Kelly, Sarah have half as many bookmarks as Kelly. How many bookmarks do they have all together? Okay, for this one, you can see it's between Sarah and Kelly. Sarah give to Kelly, Kelly get from Sarah. So it's between the two of you only. I mean the two of them only. Okay, so this is a total unchanged concept question. Total unchanged concept. Okay, so when you have this, you need to identify your before, change, and after. Let's look at the before. The before information is always the first line. So it's a comparison, right? Saying that Sarah at first have more than Kelly. Okay, that's my before. Then after Sarah gave, the word gave means this is a change keyword. To who? To Kelly. Okay, so Sarah gave away, gave what? 2 units to Kelly. Kelly received 2 units. Sarah gave away 2 units. Okay, so the 2/5 is actually a unit. 2 unit is given away out of 5 units. So 5 unit here is actually what Sarah had before at first. Okay, then after we are done there, the last one, this one, this is my after. Okay, Sarah has half as many as Kelly. So this is Sarah, and then 2 unit is Kelly. This is my after. How many bookmarks do they have all together? Means a total 2 for the 2 girls. Okay, now we have information. Let's draw out the table. Cut it up into 2 columns. 3 columns because there's total. Sarah, Kelly, and total. Okay, before, change, after. Then we put information. For the before, Sarah have 20 more bookmarks than Kelly. So Sarah and Kelly, when I minus, equal to 20. Right? Sarah minus Kelly. There's a minus there. However, I don't know what. I do not know what. Okay? Leave it blank first. Now the change. Sarah gave away 2 units. Minus 2 unit. Kelly received the 2 units. Okay? Then you can see there's a 5 unit there, right? Which I say 5 unit is Sarah's before. So which means over here, I can put in information ready. Sarah have 5 units before. Okay? Then afterwards is the after. Sarah have half, means 1 unit. And then Kelly have 2 units like this. Okay? How many bookmarks do they have all together? So what we can do is over here, the after row, we can find the total. That is 3 units. How I get 3 units? 1 unit plus 2 units equals to 3 units. Then if you look at this Sarah, she's complete. Her column is completed. Just look. 5 minus 2, do you get 1? No, right? 5 minus 2 is 3 units. But this is 1. So I need to do something to this 1, right? I must times 3 to make it to become 3. So now becomes 3 units. If I times 3 here, here must also times 3. Here must also times 3. Equals to 6 units, equals to 9 units. Their total, this is 9 units. Here is also 9 units. Because for total unchanged concept, the total before and after remains the same. Okay? So now what do we have here? I want to find this, the blank here. Can you see this Kelly question mark there? Okay, there's a question mark there, right? So what must I do? I must actually go backwards. Okay, I go backwards. So I 6 unit I bring on top. Then the minus become, the plus here also go opposite. Okay, this one go backwards. We went to right, work backwards. You go backwards, the sign become opposite. Opposite means it becomes minus 2 units equals to 4 units. Now let's check. Let's just check. 5 unit minus 4 unit, do we get? Not minus, plus. Plus total. So that's plus there. 5 plus 4, do we get 9 unit first? Yeah, so we are in the right track. Okay, we are there. We know that at first this Sarah have 5 And then Kelly had 4, become 9. However, this 20 is when we compare whatever they have at first. So Sarah is 5 unit. Kelly is 4 unit at first. This is a before. When I compare them, I minus, I get 20. This is that 20. So equals to 1 unit, right? When you minus away. Okay. So which means your 1 unit is 20. Now, how many do they have altogether, the bookmarks? Let's look at the total. Total, how many units do they have? 9. Here also 9. So I want to find 9 lah. So 9 unit is 20 times 9 equals to 180. Answer 180. Okay.